Uh, Hello there, I am Tugustu Zaryun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. In this video, I will show you how to generate a small video using Grok software. Thanks to technology, nowadays we have many softwares that helps us to develop, prepare variety of files using variety of softwares in variety of fields. How can we get Grok here? Under Play Store, type Grok. Grok. Already I have downloaded this software. If you have no software here, you can download like this from Play Store. It may not be difficult as such. I have a software already. Let me open it. Grok. Just you have say type of window. Just I want to create a video. Then type to imagine it says. Let me type it. I will give this command visual colon then space. Okay, give me display computer with Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Enter. Then narrator, the speaker. Narrator, double R, narrator. Then colon, space. Just type something. You have to command it. The speaker. Just I want to say control plus T helps us to add additional tab. Finished. I have given two line of dialogue. Visualizes display computer with Google Chrome. Narrator control plus T helps us to add additional tab. After displaying Google Chrome on the computer, it just the narrator says control T helps us to add additional tab. Then pressing this icon button here, the up arrow, it will start generate the video. Now it is generating a video.
Control plus T helps us to add additional tab. Control plus T helps us to add additional tab.
You can create a type
Control
of
plus T helps us to add additional tab.
small videos, and you can
Control
download
plus
and
T
combine
helps us to add additional
using
tab.
other software. Here the download button.
Control plus T helps us to
Motivate
add
you
additional tab.